Okay then, so let me share my screen. So as we discussed, yeah, can you confirm my screen? Because can you
Yes,
confirm my
yes,
audio and video both are clear?
yes, yes. Both are clear.
Perfect. So because in this session we are going to discuss about or else we are going to learn about the OLX kind of application. So basically, see, this is some demo template. Okay, the OLX kind of thing completely. So
So
first we
this
need
is the app you'll rename and give it to the like
yes, yeah. This is a
client, right?
these are the templates designed from our end, developed performance. Okay,
These are the demo apps to demonstrate
exactly.
to the client.
Yes. So after the demonstration, if the client is okay, we'll change the which we can call as a reskin. Okay,
Okay.
which means
So we'll
here we can
rename
update the
the app
logo,
and change
branding,
the
all the
logo, right?
things. Pardon?
Yes. Accordingly, like according to the client.
Yes, according to the client. See, first the website will be look like this. It is a completely similar to OLX, okay, with few changes.
Yes.
I already told you na there is a differentiate between without getting any legal complaints, all these things.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So once we go on this application, here we have different kind of sectors. Like for here we need to search any category we need. It will show our location. We can log in and register here. It will show different languages, right? If client
Okay.
need, we can change into the region language as well. These are the sliders you already very well know about it, and these are the
Yes.
categories: classifieds, automotive, pets, real estate, home appliance, anything, whatever it may be. See, this is a section called advertisement section. Okay, like this the application will be look like. So in this application mainly I'll train you the admin part. This is also very similar, whichever you have previous experience, the same kind. Okay, this is a pre-load.
Yes.
Currently we are developing for one client, so that's why I log in for the main module. Okay, see, first one, currently we are in the dashboard again. Every day, what you call, every admin panel there will be a first of dashboard. That is a common thing. See, first
Yes.
it welcomes you. Here we can get the total number of customers in the application. This will shows you total advertisement. Advertisement mode ads, like
Yes.
Google ads. You have idea about Google ads, Meta ads, right? Like that.
Yes. Yes.
In the application itself, we can provide a ads. See, I'll show it to you. All advertisements. It will display in the advertisement. We can run the advertisement in this application in house. The total categories, which means the total categories listed. Okay, and the total custom fields, which means how many of categories, how many of attributes are going to add. And most viewed, there is a section called whichever person is joined from the entire world, it will show on the map. It is a completely world map. You're getting right? Like here
Yes.
we'll
Yes.
get a dots. Like for
Yes.
example, if you log in this application from Dehradun, it will show a pop-up mark here in this area. Okay, so and then
Hmm.
top categories. What are the top categories in the application, like cars, bikes, real estate, or any classifieds like that? You're getting my point, right? And next, add listing. So I already told you na, there will be a category kind of thing. First, different categories we need to add: electronics, vehicle, fashion, furniture.
Yes.
Not only this, you can add unlimited.
Yes.
So
Yes.
in this electronics, if we click on the plus, again we have the sub products, right? In the electronics, what are the
Subcategory.
products we have? Category, subcategory: mobiles, laptops, mobile tablets, or televisions, or earbuds.
But there
And
can
some
be
other,
many more.
yes, there can be many more. Simply we have the option for active, inactive, edit, delete. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So like this, we can add unlimited kind of category. Simply we need to click
Yes.
on add category, the product name, and the slug for that, the parent category, which means you are adding a
Yes.
mobile. What is the parent
Mobile
category?
phone.
Electronics, like that. and you need to upload the image. You need to provide the proper description regarding that
Description.
product, and then that should be active or a job category or a price optional. Active means when we enable this option, it will visible for the our customers. If it
Yes.
is in disable, we can add the product, but it will not be visible, it will not shown to the customers.
Customers.
Okay. The job category, like in this application we can post a job related inquiry as well. Let's say for
Yes.
the
Yes.
apartment they need a security guard, so they can post in this application, we need a security guard
Yes.
for the apartment, we'll pay
Yes.
this much, like that. And price optional, if it is a fixed price you can disable it, if it is a optional kind of things you can enable it for the negotiation part.
Yes. Yes.
So like that you can add unlimited of categories, unlimited of subcategories, unlimited of products. There will be no limitation for any categories, subcategories or products. Okay. And then custom fields. So what are the custom fields? I already told you, na, attributes. In the e-commerce grocery food delivery application we can call as a attributes. Like what kind of attributes we discussed, Vikas? Can you tell me?
Like attributes. Like I didn't got this
Sizes,
one.
quantities, colors,
Yes.
right? Those are the attributes. But the
Yes. Yes.
functionality is same in this OLX application or else on that e-commerce or grocery application. But naming is different. That's it. But the functionality procedure is same. In the
Yes.
e-commerce, grocery, food delivery, in these three application we can call as a attributes. In this
Okay.
OLX kind of application you can call as a custom fields. That's it.
Okay.
So you can see the processors, car seat capacity, car model year, car fuel type, car transmissions, okay, car
Okay. Okay.
brand, car
Now I
type,
got it.
color. All these are the attributes simply.
Attributes. Yes. Yes.
But
Now I
in
got
this
it.
application you can call custom fields. That's it. The name is
Custom
different. That's
fields.
it. Okay. So for the again
Yes.
we have the edit button and delete button. We can download it
Yes.
as well.
Yes.
So next the advertisement management, which means adding. Add.
Adding.
In our application we have the add facility too. So if we
Yes.
create any ads, it will be listed here. Okay. Requested advertisement, which means in this application basically it will behave like there will be a customer. Okay, you have a bike, right? You have a some Java 42 thing, something I think. Okay, you have that bike.
Yes.
So you decided to sell that bike. So
Yes.
what will you do? You will log in this application, this preload application. You will log in. You will create an account for yourself. You can upload
Yes.
your bike
Yes.
for selling purpose. So
Yes.
before going to sell your bike, you need to subscribe some package from the admin. Got
Yes.
it?
Yes. Yes.
Why? Because for onboarding, this platform owners allows you for free. For
Yes.
selling purpose, he don't give you free. You have to
Yes.
list out, right. You have to promote yourself. So that's why this application admin will charge the amount. That packages I'll let you know in future. Okay.
Yes.
So if you are selling to this, you have decided for the selling of bike. You have to subscribe to some minimum kind of package, and then you can upload the images. So once you're done, this will be look like this. What are the product you are going to doing, the description, your name, what is your price you mentioned, what are the images you uploaded, and which country are you, which state are you, which city are you.
Yes.
See. Okay. You taken the plans, right? Is this in a premium or a normal, like in the gold, silver, like that there will be a plans. Okay.
Yes.
So the status is expired or in a, I mean not expired, it is inactive or not, you have to reject it or not, expiry date action. So then admin
Yes.
what will do? Just click on edit. He will select. He'll put in under review. Okay, if the information is incorrect, he'll put in the review. If the information is correct, he'll approve. If they missed any information, he will reject. The
Yes.
product is completely looks like fake. He will permanently reject.
Permanently rejected.
Who will do all this action? Admin.
The admin.
Okay, so like that,
Yes.
he will be approved. So the tips. The tips is nothing but similarly, let's take as a FAQs type. In the commonly we can see in e-commerce, quick e-commerce, right? FAQs. As admin, you need to add from here. Add tip. Add tip is
Yes.
nothing but you need to give the tips to the buyers along with the
Buyers.
sellers and customers too.
Yes.
Okay. Simply, if you're going to post this any, I mean, if you're going to sell any item, you need to purchase the plan. That is a tip.
Yes.
Okay. Once you purchase that plan, kindly check the expiry date. Why? Because there will be plan for the 1 month, 2 month, 3 months, like that. That do depend on the durations. So
Yes.
like this kind of information you have to provide to your clients. That is called tips in this
Tips.
application. And package management. So first thing, advertisement listing. So in this above manner we check the advertisement, but in this one we are going to create the advertisement. Okay, how the ad will be created in this application? First, the package name. So I'm giving silver. This is admin part, I'm explaining clearly. Okay, the product id,
Okay.
admin will have some id. Price.
Yes.
So for this silver package I'm taking 1000 rupees because, so I'm
Okay.
giving discount 10%, which means the final price is 900. Okay,
Okay.
the calculation is correct, right? So
Yes.
here
Yes.
I'll upload some silver related package information, and here I'll upload the description and days. So if you are my customer, you are trying for the selling or buying. So if you take this 900 package from my end, the silver package, I'll provide you limited access or unlimited
Yes.
access. So let's say
Limited.
I am saying that limited. I am giving only 30 days here. In this, during
Yes.
30 days you have to use that your package, otherwise it will expire. Again you need to take new one.
New.
And advertisement also I'm giving limits. I am providing only 5 advertisements only, which means 5 ads I am giving you.
Yes.
So what you do, you have to purchase this with the amount of 900, and after that you need to place the ad from your login.
Yes.
You have the duration of 30 days and limits of 5. 5
Five.
ad limit. During this 5 ad limit, within the 30 days if you get any buyer, it is fine, or else you need to
Yes.
take one more plan again.
One more plan again.
Now you got the strategy.
Yes. Yes.
So this is the look like the application will going to work. We need to simply click on the add package. Okay, here we
Yes.
didn't uploaded the file, right? So that's why it's showing the error. So once we add it, it will show all the details very clearly.
Yes.
Okay, the image, the package name, and how many days we are providing, advertise limit, and then price, discount, final price, is the enable or disable. Clear?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And second, we have featured advertisement. In this application we have two categories. First one is normal advertisement, second
Yes.
one is featured advertisement, which means it will always show in the top of the application. Okay, so once we refresh the application, just go through it. See, featured, it's a ad.
Yes.
Okay, so always if you purchase the featured ad category, your product will always list on the top.
Okay.
Got it? If you take the normal advertisement plan, it will show randomly anywhere in the
Yes.
application. So this creation also same. The package name, product ID, pricing, discount, final price, image, description, days.
The difference is only like the feature ad will be displayed on top, right?
Yes, and the second difference is it has the only limited things, not unlimited things. For
Okay.
the normal advertisement, we have the unlimited plan as well.
Okay.
Have you remembered?
So- yes, yes. But
Check.
for this ad, feature ad, we have like limited
Yes, only
time.
limited part.
The customer has to like renew it.
Yeah. Okay. So these are the
Okay.
two things. So once admin created the packages, it will show here user packages with the title of user packages, which means how many customers are subscribed your package as admin. So you are admin, I'm your customer. Okay. So my name, my package, which package I purchased, on which date, what is my end date, what are the limits I have, how many times I used.
Yes.
So like that we will get the complete information.
Yes.
And payment transactions, so you already know, right, what kind of the payment transaction for purchasing that plans. It will be
Yes.
update here, the name, how much amount I purchased, I mean transferred to you. It is a what kind of gateway I used, Razorpay or by hand or anything, or is the payment succeed or failed, what is the date creation.
Yes.
And the next, bank transfer. So if any transaction done from the manual bank, those will be updated here.
Yes.
But most of the applications they will use payment gateway only. Why? Because they're using the payment gateway, there will be unlimited benefits for the admins. So that's
Okay.
why for the 100 to 100% will use only gateways.
Yes.
And next, seller management. So I already told you now, in this application we have seller and buyer, जो
Right.
बेच रहा है जो मोल रहा है.
Yes. Yes.
So for the seller, वेरिफिकेशन फील्ड्स, आप जो एक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप जो एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करता ना, यू विल बी कंसिडर
Yes.
एज ए कस्टमर.
Yes.
Okay, and after the customer, the second stage is if you have any product you need to sell it,
Yes.
then you will be become a seller.
Yes.
Got it? But in the second stage you don't have any product to sell, you are logged in this application for buying any product, then what you will
Yes.
be? Buyer.
Yes.
समझ हो रहा है ना आपको टर्मिनोलॉजीज? Perfect. So let's say,
Obviously, I'm like I'm on the application with the motive of selling, then obviously I'm a seller. And
yes,
if I'm like the motive of like buying something, then I'm a buyer.
exactly. Now you got my point. Okay, so for the seller management we have the verification part. Why? Because when it comes to the OLX part, it is completely full of scams, fake
Yes.
fake buyers, fake sellers, right?
Fake ads.
Have you heard about it?
Yes, yes, I have been using, I have like sold my two of three bikes in OLX.
Okay,
So
so
I'm
due to
aware
the
of that.
functional, due to the non proper management from the OLX team, the application
Yes,
completely collapsed.
yes, yes. There is no
So
such verifications. They just
exactly.
verify a number and that's all.
Yes, so that's why in this application we updated this verification KYC part for mandatory trust genuine qualities. Why? Because if we provide application, that should be very security related, right?
Yes, yes.
So see, for the
Secure.
seller, we have the verification part. Our team developed a verification part. We can take n number of documents because, okay.
Yes.
So his driving license, his photo, PAN card, Aadhaar card, and his background verification certification.
Yes.
Okay, in the local station also you can take that.
Yes, yes.
Based on the client need, you can take whatever you thinks you need, that things you need to take. If the
Yes.
seller provides all the details, he will be a perfect genuine person. If any
Yes.
person have intention to scam it, he don't provide all these details, right?
Yes.
So this is a very simple logic for filtering the genuine sellers into the application.
Yes.
So like that you can create unlimited of documents. The document name, field type, is it a number type, input, radio button, or drop down checkboxes? What is the length? It is a required or not required. You can create as your you need. Okay, as your wish. Your wish in the sense, now you can think in the client perspective. You are a client, I'm a technical team. Okay, so now you need anything, what kind of the documents you are expecting from the seller, that much of documents you can create from here, and you can
Yes.
make it all are mandatory. Who are filled and who are submitted all the documents to you, those fellows will only onboard into the application, otherwise they don't have the access. So this is a security feature. In real time client will ask you, so the OLX have some security issues, they collapse completely, so what is the guarantee you can provide to us, right?
Yes.
At this point of time you have to highlight this thing.
These things like we have a professional
Yes,
verification.
exactly. In our application we planned and we developed a secured procedure for the seller, sir. It will identify his entire identity. Without
Yes.
proving his identity, we won't allow into the application. Like that, you have to highlight this option. Got it?
Yes.
And next, after providing all these verifications, this will be a seller verification. Okay, this notification will go for the admin panel, which means this panel. The admin will verify, okay,
Yes.
and check entire document looks all will be
Documents.
genuine, then
Yes.
only he will approve it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And next, seller review, the second part for the seller kind of genuine activities. We have the reviews part. So admin will have the access to check the seller is genuine or not for the why, because after selling most of them are not providing proper details. Even though in the first step they provided all the KYCs, in the second step they don't look up for the reviews part from the customer end. So if
Yes.
keep on customers climbing on the same seller, the admin will take the action. Okay,
Yes.
that's why this separate tab is designed here. So let's say I'm a vendor. Nagur as a seller, we can call a seller or vendor, both are same. Okay, don't confuse. So Nagur as a seller in this application, I'm always getting negative reviews from my customers. So at that time, as the admin, you have the permission to terminate from this application, or else you have the permission to warn me.
Yes.
If I listen your words, I'll be in the application. If I'm same repeating, you can remove from my application. Okay.
Yes.
And the seller review report, which means the products, see the seller name, buyer name, advertisement, ratings, reviews, report status, report reason, report rejection reason, action taken, all will be on time updated in the real time.
Yes.
So which means easy to track all the activities from the buyers and sellers. Okay, this thing will stabilize the application pattern.
Yes.
And next, home screen slider, you already very well know, right? We can upload n number of sliders here from this panel. Simply we need to upload the banner. It will be advertisement or category related, on which category you need to run this ad, on the vehicles, on the fashion, on the television, what category you need. Or is there any third party link, you can link it. Let's say we have a separate website. Okay, on that website we have to you have to navigate from the this application to that website. So simply you have to provide that website link here. Once user comes to your application, he click on this one, he'll navigate to your website.
Yes.
Why? Because we are providing a third party link, right?
Yes.
And featured section, this is a just a section, that's it. Here we need to create the products and upload it, whichever you need. And place location management, see, first, because you
Yes.
have to clearly remember the thing, the main thing is, once we developed a application in any sector like e-commerce, grocery, real estate, farming, traveling, whatever it may be, that application is eligible to run or operate entire the world.
Okay.
You got my point?
Yes. Yes.
Once we develop the any kind of application related to any sector, from our end especially, that client
Yes.
have the possibility to run or operate his business in entire world, not in only India, not in only in Andhra Pradesh, not in only in Dehradun. He can
Yes.
operate anywhere. Okay.
Yes.
So in terms of application will be fully stable, application will have the full permissions to them. But the thing is, based on the client capability, based on the client marketing opportunity, he will start his business. Okay.
Yes.
Few clients will ask like,
So this is the point where what we can add in, like, while pitching for the sales
yeah,
too, right?
obviously this point will
Yes.
highlight your pitch.
Yes.
Okay. Why? Because some of the technical companies or freelancers will do for that application will only work for one zone.
Yes.
that
But our
application
application
that
will work
application
in
won't work for
globally.
entire India, entire states won't work in some of the companies from it. Okay. So but from our end, once we, let's say you are my client, I developed this application for you, you can use it in anywhere in entire world. Just you have to take care of the things from the stores. Like for example, you are an Indian citizen here, you need to run this application in USA, which means you have to take the permission from the USA, that's it.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes. Yes. Clear.
Perfect. So that is regarding this countries part. Okay, you can
Yes.
add and input n number of countries. You can add n number of translator their languages.
Yes.
So, but make sure I mentioned here India, which means currently I'm operating in India only. Which
Yes.
means if you need to operate in USA, you have to add it first.
Yes.
Where it is.
Maybe it will be United
Okay,
States.
United States. Like that, you have to select.
Yes.
So whichever country you are going to operate, you simply need to add the country and then you can
Okay.
start the procedure. And the states too. This application
Yes.
have some advanced feature like, for example, in India, and especially which state you are operating. Let's say this application is you are my client, because just assume, okay, you are my client. I'm the from BBS team. So I design. I mean, you are operating for the only Indian country, and the states are only these: West Bengal, Ladakh, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, or whatever it may be. I taken only, let's assume, only five states.
Yes.
Okay, you are not operating on the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, the Telugu states. So,
Yes.
as a customer, once I log into the from Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, it will show like currently we are not operating in this state. It will show the message.
Yes.
If I am logging from the Telangana, again it will show currently we are not operating from this Telangana state. Like that, it will display to you. I mean, display to the customer.
Yes.
Got it? So that's
Yes.
why we need to mention on which country, which state we are going
Which
to run the
state?
business, and which city and which area
Maybe,
also.
yes. Yes.
Why? Because let's say this is very mandatory in business. We don't have running any business in the some Telangana, so we don't have to place the ad, right? It was waste of time. When you are okay with, or when you are providing the service okay for the Telangana, then only we have to enable that.
Yes. Yes.
Got
Obviously,
it?
where we can provide the like
Services.
facilities,
Yes,
that yeah,
wherever,
that
up to
only we have
wherever you
to
can
do.
provide our services, that things you have to enable.
Yes.
So that's it.
Otherwise, they will make no sense. Like
Exactly. So the city is also same,
yes.
and area also same.
Yes.
First country, state, city, area,
State and city and area.
and the next part, reports management. This thing you already know.
Yes. Yes.
Report reasons. So these reasons need to create from admin end.
Yes.
Let's say I'm a seller. I showed one product. I delivered one more product, the fake product. Let's assume.
Yes.
Then you are a buyer. You have to report. Okay, for you reporting, this will highlight in the user application: fake
Yes.
payment screenshot, fake misleading and information, item already sold but still listed, duplicate
Yes.
or spam listing. Like that, the reasons admin will upload here in the real time. As a customer, as a seller, they both have the this section, report section.
Yes.
Seller will report on the customer, I mean buyer.
Yes.
Buyer will report on the seller as well, if
Yes.
it is a fake kind of activity.
Yes.
And this is the user report, which means the reason, who is the user, what is the advertisement he ticked, advertisement image, advertisement status, user status. Which means, let's say, as a customer, I am using this preload application. In this, I have seen an ad, but that ad have the complete fake information. So as a user, I can report that I'm checking this advertisement. The advertisement is some Hyundai Exter. This is a
Yes.
completely false information. Kindly go through it. Like that, we have to report. All things we are getting right.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, very simple. Just we need to understand the basic part. That's it.
Yes. Fine.
And the promotional. This also you very well know. Push
Yes.
notifications,
Yes. Sending
right?
notification.
Whatever title, whatever message, whatever image we need, just we have to type it and send it. That's it. It will be
Yes.
advertisement type. Customers, which means the all list of customers will be shown here.
Customers
Their
will
profile photo, name, mail, mobile,
need
how he
mobile
logged in through Google, through
log.
email, through phone number, what is his address, is there taken any post, his
Post.
status is active or inactive, is take any kind of advertisement. Okay,
Yes.
like that it will update the entire user information. And
Yes.
the next, staff management, this also the same pattern we already checked in the e-commerce, right? Role management. So let's say, as a business owner, if in our application there will be a number of customers in thousands or lakhs, so handling
Yes.
single man is not possible. At that time, what will you do? You'll hire a person, you'll hire an employee for you. You can assign the role as a manager, as executive, as an associate, right?
Yes.
For them you can give the access. Just click on view button, it will show the information. And after that, edit. Here you need to provide the module access. So for the manager, I'm providing the role, the staff, custom field. Up to this modules only, I am decided to give his access. Give to him. Just click on submit. Okay,
Yes.
data updated successfully. And then simply click on back. Click on view button. See, this fellow have this many of actions. That's
Yes.
it. Clear, right?
Yes. Yes.
And the next one, staff management, which means adding employee. Okay, simply create new staff.
We
What
can
role?
add new stuff.
Yeah, what role you are providing? What is his name,
All the
his mail id,
name
his
and
password?
the
That's it. And next, blog you already know, right? We have
yes.
to write any blog related, vehicles, electronics, any real estate related, whatever it may be, n number of things you can write. Simply need to click on add blog, the blog title, the image related to the blog, and the full description, the article
All
description.
this.
You simply click on save and back. That's it.
All
And next, FAQs. FAQs also we already discussed, right? Frequently asked questions. So n number of questions you have to add from this panel. And the user queries. See, this user queries will get from the, especially from website. Why it will mention, right? Web.
yes.
Till now, whatever we discussed, it will be operate from the website and user app too. And here we have the separate option like web. If any customer raised any queries from the website version, those will be
Yes.
stored here.
Yes.
Okay. And the next is system setting. This is a developer related, we don't need to modify anything, these two options. Okay, just I'll show you what are the things will be available. The settings, web settings, notification settings, OTP provider settings, privacy policy, terms and condition, ad mobs, all these will be development related activities. We don't need to change anything. Okay. And the
Yes.
system
Yes.
updates, versions of this application, the license codes, okay, updated files. So which means this is the completely OLX related to the kind.
Yes.
Any questions in this, because
No questions. I'll go through it once again by my end. So
perfect,
it will be more understandable for me.
very good. So just take a 5 minutes of break and we can start the real estate part. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So can you confirm my screen?
Yes. Yes.
So basically, first this is a admin panel. Okay. I'll explain one by one. So before going that, I'll show the user perspective. See, this project will be look like this: home, services, providers, about us, contact us. And again, these are the common, the sliders. In every application, there will be a sliders, banners. Okay. So
Yes.
main
Yes.
intention of this project is providing a service. We can call as home services, or handyman services, or urban services, or
Yes.
service providers. And which name you can call, the project is same. The main intention of this project is providing services. Okay. I hope
Yes.
seeing these images you're getting some clarity.
Yes. Yes.
Electrical related works, plumbing works, sanitary works, anything. See, home services, AC services, laundry service, plumbing, saloon, mechanic, electronic, pest control, Okay, washing, dry cleaning, leather cleaning, different kind of. In household things there will be so many works, right? All
Yes.
things will be done from this application. Simply they will book on online service here, that's it. So in rural areas what will they do? They will keep on what is it, they keep on look for the person who will work. But in nowadays there is a application for that. Whatever service client need, simply he can book the slot and pay the amount. The team will went to the house and they will complete the work on time.
Yes.
No need to wait for the local vendors. See, simply if you have a painting work for your house, Vicky, because okay, what
Yes.
will you do? In rural areas most of them will go for the painter house. Some
Yes.
of the times he will be available, some of the times he is not available. If he is available he will say like,
I
I'm
will
busy.
try to
Yeah,
contact
I will
them.
try it, or else it will be take 2 3 days for me. I have another work. Like this, these scenarios will commonly listen in rural areas. So that's
Yes.
why nowadays this project is going to boom. Currently booming in the market. Boom in the sense, what do you know the boom?
Means it will get success
Yes,
rapidly.
very high revenued market. Okay.
Yes.
S- So see how this kind of business you can manage. So basically, obviously, it is a admin panel, and this kind of sector also we have the dashboard again. Okay. See first, admin things, the total customers, how many members we have, total services listed in this application, total booking statistics in this application, income revenue, total, and admin. This is the admin revenue on the December and the November. Okay, and this is
Yes.
provider revenue. So basically, I'll let you know the application flow. In this application, we have customer common. Every application, customer application is a common because, right?
Yes.
So other thing is vendor, seller, provider. All these are same, which
Same.
means in the e-commerce application, grocery, food delivery, we can call as a vendor.
Yes.
What will they do? They will sell their products.
Yes.
In the OLX kind of application, what we call sellers.
Sellers.
What will they do? Again, they're selling.
Yes.
In this application, we can call provider.
Yes.
What will this fellows will do? They will also sell their
Yes.
service.
Their service.
You are getting my points, right? Just
Yes.
naming
Yes.
terminology change, but the procedure is same.
Same.
Depend on the application, depend on the business sector, we have to change the name. That's it. So in this kind of handyman services application, we can call it as providers. They will
Yes.
offer the services, they will sell the services. So basically, admin is common for every application, user is common, and the second thing is delivery boys and the technicians or vendors or sellers or
Yes.
providers. That's it. So in this application, you can call as a provider. These fellows will do, they will offer services for the customers using this application.
Yes.
So let's see, I'm a provider, Nagur clinical services. Let's say I have a small office room. That business name is Nagur Clinic, Clean Services or Clinic Services, whatever it may be. Okay. So I
Yes.
have 4 members. So what I can do with these 4 members? I can paint your house. Okay.
Yes.
I can clean your house, or else I can do the plumbing work in our house. I can do the electrical works. I can do the AC repairs. I can do ceiling work. Okay,
Yes.
like this, how many kinds of services is possible from the different vendors? All those will be listed in this application. Okay, got it.
Yes. Yes.
So the income parts. So and what are the top providers? Which means top servicing providers. They will automatically listed to this application. And the top trending services, these are the recent booking histories, the customer, provider, starting time, ending time, status. Okay, all these are very common in dashboard. So
Yes.
next we have on immediate basis provider management. So just click on provider. First we have the provider list. Add new provider, bulk provider upload. So
Yes.
आपको जो समझ गया ना, very easy process. Provider list मतलब क्या है?
provider skill list,
Exactly.
and then we can add the new provider,
Yeah,
and we can also like add the bulk provider
that's it.
update,
Very
and then
simple.
payment requests. These are
Yes,
like similar flows like other applications.
exactly. See,
Yeah.
here we have the three: all, approved, disapproved.
Yes.
So we'll go with the first approved. The profile name, which means the vendor name Sheikh Imran, his mail ID, his provider name, his company name, okay, and then his mobile number, how many ratings he get from his clients, I mean his customers. He is a individual person or a organization person, which means some of the providers will register their company, some of the providers will do individually without registration. Okay, so individual means without registration, organization means registration, or else we
Mm.
can consider as a individual means they have only one person or two-person, that's it.
Yes.
Organization means there is a couple of persons, like five people,
Couple of
six people,
persons.
10
Yes.
people, like that.
Yes.
Okay, we can assume these two scenarios as well. And finally, operations. We have the access to edit provider, delete, view his complete information, duplicate this, and disapprove this.
Yes.
And again, we have the add provider option. Very simple.
Yes.
Click on add
Yes.
provider.
Yes.
The provider name, let's say
Yes. Again,
Because.
company's name.
Okay. So the
Yes.
company name, Vikas Info. Let's say Vikan Services. It will suits, right?
Yes.
And the description I am provided regarding the provider. Again,
Providers.
the complete
This
other
the
information,
description.
Vikas Services. My type will
Yes.
be you are an individual or organization. Let's say you are an individual. Okay.
Yes.
Visiting charges. What are the visiting charges you will take? See this. The
Yes. Yes.
customer will pay these fixed charges for every booking made at their doorstep. Doorstep
Yes.
means this fellow with this service technician will go for that client house for
Yes.
providing the house. Let's say 100 providing the service. Sorry. Advance booking. The customer can book a service in advance for up to some days. For example, if
Yes.
you set it for 5 days, customer can book a service starting from today up to the next 5 days. During this period,
Yes.
only the available dates and time slots will be visible for booking. You
Yes.
understood the point? Advance
Yes.
booking, which is, let's say, for taking the service from your end, it should be 5 days mandatory. Let's say, just assume. So the number of
Yes.
members, how many number of members you have? Individual,
One.
right? So that's why it's providing single. So if you are
Yes.
a organization, yes, it will allow n number of. If we
Yes.
mention individual, it is automatically taking one person.
One person.
Okay. So if it is a organization, it is taking number of. So service. So as a organization person, because you have the 10 members, so what kind of services you will offer and what type of services you will offer? First, at store. Yes, you will visit the customer store and offer. If you are providing this service, simply click on active or else deactive.
Yes.
Okay, the services will have two categories. First one, as a service provider, we need to visit the customer house. That is category one. The category two, they will visit our office or doorsteps at store and at doorstep. At store
Yes.
mean their shops also included. The provider
Yes.
needs to perform the service at their store. Okay,
Yes.
there in the sense customer store. The
Yes.
customer will arrive at the store on a specific date and time.
Yes. Got it.
Oh, sorry, my bad. At store in the sense our store, provider store. Okay, the provider needs to perform the service at their store. Got it? Which means your store.
Yes.
And doorstep means he need to visit the customer house. The provider has to go to the customer's place to do the job.
Yes.
Got it? So at store in
Yes.
the sense customer need to visit our store.
Also, we need to
At
visit our store,
doorstep
and a
means
doorstep
yes,
means the provider has to visit the doorstep of
exactly,
the.
yes. So allow post booking chat. So the customer need to chat with you. You have to allow after the post, or else allow pre-booking chat. If you need pre-booking chat, also you can enable. Need approval for the service. That also you can enable. If
Yes.
enabled, the admin must approve service added by the provider, which means while onboarding the vendor, if the admin enable this option, after the onboarding, as a vendor, you have to add some service. That service must and should need the approval from the admin end.
Yes.
Got it? Or else, if you disable it, no need. Whatever listing you'll do, it will automatically update it in the application. Got it?
Yes.
And the next, working days. So, what are your schedules? On Monday, at what time you'll start, and what is your starting time and store closing time? We can on it like Monday to Sunday, how many days you work. And next, personal. Now as of now we completed the business details, and the next is personal details, which means your email, your contact, your password for login this application. You need to upload your passport, your identity, your address ID. Why? Because security is mandatory, right? Genuine service is mandatory, right? So that's why must and should you need to upload this.
Yes.
And your bank details, your
Yes.
taxation name, number, account, bank, code, account, suite, SEO. In the e-commerce application, I told you, right?
Yes.
The digital marketing concept.
Yes.
Yeah. So for the digital marketing kind of, which means you are a vendor, you are operating from Dehradun. If any customer in your location searching for plumbing service nearby you, the Google will automatically show your application, show your status in the for the customer. Okay. So like
Yes.
that it will be helpful. You have to provide title, meta keyword, meta description, image, schema. So
Yes.
after that, here we have few more details. On the right hand side, we have to upload images like with which images, drag and drop, banner image, other images, your store images, all this, and your
Yes.
location, where you located, your current location, you have to update like this. Okay, the map will
Yes.
automatically trigger out. Enter your city, Pedanandipadu, I'm from. The latitude is this, and the longitude, the complete information. Okay, once we did all these onboarding setups, the admin, I mean the provider will add it into the application. Got it?
Yes.
Next, bulk provider update, which means uploading bulk providers at a time using the Excel sheet. Like in the e-commerce, we are using bulk import for the products, right? In
Yes.
the same pattern, bulk update is same. And payment request. So what is payment request? Simple. You did the service, right?
Yes.
Your user ID, provider name, user type, payment address, amount, status, operations. You have to request the service amount whichever you serviced, served.
Yes.
Settlements, your settlements only. Okay, all will be updated here. The provider ID, company name, what is his name, what is the balance he have. It
Yes.
settled from the admin will like yes we have the 1,000 balance, so 1,000 message all amount settled. Okay, like that he will message and update the balance.
Yes.
Got it? So it will show the error. Why? Because here we have a zero only. So that's why it's not allowing.
Yes.
And the history. So the settlement entire history will be updated here. And cash collection,
Yes.
which means offline. Some of the customers will pay offline, right? So
Yes.
those kind of scenarios will update here. So clear with the provider management.
Yes. Yes.
Next, booking management. So bookings. See, all the kind of bookings will be showed here. User ID, what is the customer name, on which provider he booked the service, what is the total service amount, status, the service is completed or not. We can view the booking, we can provide the invoice, or else we can delete the booking as well. Bookings
Yes.
payment. Booking related all payment management related activities will be updated in this panel. See, message, provider, who is the provider, what type of cash amount is going to handle, date, time, total amount and commission amount. Got it?
Yes, yes.
This is the total amount, this is the vendor amount, and this is the admin commission.
Yeah.
And custom job request. So custom job request means if anybody need any kind of job related activities or any kind of requirement, they will raise a query.
Yes.
Okay, see, who is the provider, the counter price, durations, notes. So like that they will upload simply. Service, first service list, which means number of services offering from this application. The wedding
Yes.
ambience setup, customized theme decorations, traditional storage decoration, fully convention center booking, reception hall booking, hourly booking, half day booking, full day booking, or painting, plumbing, electrical, anything. Unlimited of
Yes.
services you can list from here. Simply you need to click on add service,
Yes.
the service
And
name,
all the
like
information.
yes, plumbing, let's say,
Yes. Mm,
and the tags, plumbing related tags you have to provide, description,
yes.
full description, and the other services, which means which provider are going to assign this service. Why
Yes.
admin is adding, right? So that's why it's
Yes.
asking the vendor. So let's say this one, what is the category? This fellow have that similar category, but no worries, I'll just check it out. The performance tax, duration performed task, means you are offering a plumbing service, so how much duration will take? Let's say
Mm,
60 minutes. Members required to perform this task. For plumbing I need 3 persons. Okay,
yes.
like that you have to. Why? Because as a plumbing service provider, you know how many time it will take, how many members you need
Yes.
for completing the plumbing work, right? So
Yes.
maximum quality allowed for service quantity, which means what, user can add up to a maximum of x quantity of specific serviceman adding service to the cart. Which means if we enable this option, let's say level 5, while booking the customer will have the option to, he need no, I need only 2 persons, I need only 3 persons, like that he will update from customer
Yes.
end. And the files means the work related images, other images, files, previous works, all the things. And pricing details, price tags, included tags or excluded tags. What is the tax slab? 5%, 10%, 18%. What is the price? You are providing any discount, like that we have to upload. And FAQs, SEO setting again. And finally we have the, is this once the customer book the service, is have the option to cancelable or not. If you have to
Yes.
provide that option, need to activate. Cancel before 30 minutes, before 20 minutes.
Yes. That
Okay,
we can add
yeah.
accordingly.
Pay later after the service, if you okay with that you can enable. At store, at doorstep, at approved services, based on your convenience you can enable, disable, you can add any kind of things.
Thanks.
Got it?
Yes.
And bulk service update, you already very well know
Yes.
regarding this.
Yes.
Service
This is
category,
actually.
what kind of categories we are going to serve, we need to add from here.
Yes.
Event
Yes.
ambience, lighting decoration, theme decoration, all these are
Yes.
the categories.
Yes.
Plumbing is a category, electrical work is a category, painting is a category, mason works is a category, right? So like that we
Yes.
have to add simply the title, category, image, theme colors. And next, home screen management. Sliders means you already very well know. It was a
Yes. Yes.
scrollable, right? The type, it
Yes.
is a default or category based or provider based or URL. If you need to provide the URL as well. App and web image means the sliders. Feature section. So similarly, we see the preload application, right? The OLX application. In the same way, in this application also we have the featured section. It will display in the website and user app as well. Okay, this is the banners. It was not, yes, loaded. These are the banners or sliders. These are the categories. This is a section. This is you can call as a section. That's it. For the section, you can name it with anything. Allied providers is a section name. Laundry and cleaning service also a section name. Local experts
Yes.
are nearby also a section name. Plumbing solution also a section name. Featured ad providers also a section name. Okay, all these are the sections
Yes.
related activities. And next tab we have customer management. So see how it going to work. This is also very common. How many list of customers we have, it will display. Profile, name, mobile, mail. Is he active? Operations. He is doing any operations or not.
Yes.
If you need to deactivate this user, you can deactivate.
Yes. Yes.
Which means the termination.
Yes.
Transactions. It will display all the transaction, the credits, debits, all the things. It will show. Payment refunds. If any service related payments are done from the vendor or admin, the refund kind of activities all will be updated here. And the addresses. Okay, addresses means the username, their type of office or a home, their mobile, city, address, area, pin code, state, country, all will be updated. And next, support management, which means queries, chats, all this will be updated. The queries, as a admin, as a user or as a vendor, they have the option to raise a query from their application. So if they raise any
Yes.
kind of queries, it will display in the admin.
Yes.
Chat, you know, right? Customer,
Yes.
customer can chat, provider can chat with admins. Reporting reasons. If anybody report the any kind of activity, what are the reasons? We have to add the reason. In the OLX also we have shown this, right? The fake users, fake product, all this kind of see. Simply you have to enter the reason, add it. If you need additional information, simply click on enable this button as well. You're getting right. I'm not at speed kind of activity.
Yes.
Blocked users. If admin blocked any users, all will be updated here.
Yes.
Promotional. So which means promo code creation. You already know this.
Yes.
Creating. Simply add promo code. The providers, promo code, minimum booking amount, when it going to start, when it going to end, how many number of users we are going to provide, what are the discount you are providing, it is in amount or percentage format, what is the maximum discount.
Yes.
That's it. Send notification. Same. Push notification for the any
Yes.
messages, any intimation you need to provide. Send email. So email means basically if you need to check the internal activities as a admin, we can have the option to send the mails as well. All users are only provider or only customer, you can provide the mail. Okay, if you select the
Yes.
customer, need to select it. Subject, what is the bcc, what is the cc, I mean you know, right? The mail formats, carbon copy, cc
Yes.
means the templates, all the things, simply click on hit the send button, it will well for the mails. And subscriptions here. So subscription, the this application also similar like OLX. In the
Yes.
sellers taking the subscription in the application,
Yes.
like the same pattern here. Who will take the subscription?
Customers.
No, the providers.
Provide.
The
Yes.
provider will take the subscription. Why they are you freely using his application to offer the
Yes.
services, right? So from here onwards, you can create a subscription package. Simply click on add subscription. The package name is the package is limited or unlimited. The description, publish. And what is the
Publish.
package price? If you are
Price.
providing any discount or not, the price is included tax or excluded tax, and what is the tax percentage.
X percentage.
Okay, limit the bookings will for this 1,000 rupees, let's say 1,000 or 1,000. For the 1,000, you're providing unlimited bookings or limited bookings. If you're providing
Yes.
limited, what is the total limited count? Okay, commissions.
Yes.
The provider doesn't need to pay any commission for the bookings they receive. Okay, if
Yes.
put no on this commission, they no need to pay anything. If they put yes, they will pay the commission
Yes.
to the admin.
Yes.
Threshold means, let's say I put some thousand. So when this provider meets the thousand threshold amount for the commission, then the percentages will go for the admin.
Right.
Got it? Simply click on add it. Add subscription. It will create the package. So once we create it, it will show the list of subscriptions here. Currently we have the only one. That's why it's showing the basic plan. For testing purpose, our team created. Okay. We need to
Okay.
provide a description actually here. What is the
Yes.
duration? 15. Price 299. Are you providing 99 discount? Booking time
Yes.
limited. Commission? Yes. Publish? Yes. Status active.
Yes.
If you need it, edit or else delete.
Yes.
Add subscription. I mean, which means I already told you, no, creation of package. So next we have blog. Blog, you know, right? You can create blog. It will show in the list. Simply add
Yes.
new blog. The blog
Mm.
is related. This application is service oriented. So you need to write the blog regarding services oriented. That's it. Title, tags, description, short description, long description. That's it.
Yes.
And gallery. So gallery means you already know, right? What are the files you used in this entire application? That things you can track from here. Provider related,
Yes.
blogs related, category related, attachment charts related, all will be separated neatly in a document format. These all
Yes.
will be automatically updated.
Completely.
Okay, when we click on the sliders, see this many of sliders we updated in the application. So that's why all these are stored in the slider part. If you
Yes.
need it, you can download as well. So
Yes.
and finally, system management. So this is a development part.
Yes.
The system setting FAQs, actually FAQs also you can manage. The system setting is the development part. FAQs you can set as a admin, they will set frequently asked questions. And again, system user database backup we don't need to modify. Why? Because this is the heart of the application. System
Yes.
users, yes, role management. System user in the sense role management. Okay, you can add a employee, you can give the permission module. Clear?
Yes. Yes. Clear.
So this is the thing. So today we completed two applications. What is the first one and what is the second one?
The first one is real estate one, and the second is the handyman application.
Sorry.
The first one was real estate application, and the second one is like handyman application.
Yeah, first one will have the real estate, not completely real estate. That is a OLX kind.
Kind of OLX.
Yes, but we can list the properties as well on that OLX.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. That's enough for in the morning session. In the
Yes.
afternoon, we'll connect again and the let me know slot. Let me check my slot. Okay.
Yes.